Hi guys, had a really nice day in Paris. Fantastic city. It's nowhere near as big as London. It's quite easy to get around quite a large part of it. So I walked around some of the canal system in Paris and had lunch by the canal. It was terrific. I was back home by 6:30. I saw this. This is the Dow into the close. We're not closed yet. We've still got 20 plus minutes. This is yesterday's high, 810. So I bought this down here at 768 and just took that off at yesterday's high. So it seemed a no-brainer to me. If you look at the 60-minute chart, it's a stopping bar on the 50 EMA. It done not much at all today, so I thought that was long due, a little spurt up. I am bullish, but I'm happy to take. Whoops, sorry, but saw the move to the upside and just grab about 33 points in quite a big position size. It could go up to 840, 850 into the last 20 minutes, but 33 points on just a 15-minute trade. That's fine. I'm quite tired, so don't want to overdo it. Let's just run through the 60-minute charts because I think these charts are really nice. Oil refuses to lie down. I thought it was a terrific chart here. That's overnight, isn't it? So you come to your screens and you get this price up here, 94.90, breaks 95, and if you really sit it out, you can get 96, and then gets very bearish into the pit open. Pits drag it right down. Let's have a look at the fibs on that. Yeah, we crashed into 50%. This is a nice pattern here. New low, close above, next hour. Runs up, pulls back, runs up, pulls back to 50 EMA. Euro session opens and we crash into 50%. So I think that's a no-brainer to me. Let's look how the pound yen's done. Pound yen, yeah, it's okay. It's not brilliant. Having said that, yeah, it is pretty good. Well, in that it falls back. Look at that, 975. So we get 975 between 10 and 11 o'clock, and here we are 100 points higher, and looking as if that's going to break out into the Asian session. See that Dow is giving the markets a bit of a spurt. Pound US dollar, that is nowhere near as good. That is pretty pathetic. We'll look at the daily in a minute. The euro, big sell-off at between 1 and 2 o'clock, or between 1 and 3 o'clock. Back down to support, and they turn it around. Not for many points though. Not many points at all. FTSE. Right, let's go to the dailies now. But just watch for these 60-minute charts, because that stopping bar on the Dow, it does look as if I'm out too early. That's a bullish consolidation. They can't. That's the squeeze, and the shorts are getting squeezed here. And we could easily see 850, and I would love to see at least 950 up there. Okay, so dailies. We are 20 minutes off the close, and we look as if we are going to get a close above this. US GDP tomorrow. So we come off the 127 extension. We're heading into this resistance up here. So at the moment, this is a buy. This is, and I wouldn't swing trade it, but I would certainly buy 750. Let's see if we can get to 15,000. And the FTSE, new low, close above next day. That is a reversal pattern. That's tradable in the morning. I would look for 6,200, possibly a retrace to 6,300. They've got very extended down there. Divergent RSI, reversals pattern, could get a nice bounce in that. But I am essentially bearish, but I will take these markets. I will trade the waves. So it's giving me a wave up to get short, I will take it. Daily euro, pathetic. Not hanging on. It's just holding 130, but not by much. Pound, just clinging off the 50 EMA. If we can break this 154.80 area, that could do something. But a pretty pathetic day, really. Pound yen, sideways, but can't break. There's still a lot. I've only got. If you think of it in these terms, I've only got one red bar since Sunday of last week. So I would still buy at the dips to see if that can run up. US dollar CAD, looking very extended, but holding up. That's why I only got to break that 105.50 and that will run. US dollar Swissy, not much. US dollar yen, same as the pound yen. Aussie. Aussie is trying to bottom down there. Pound, Aussie, holding the highs just. Okay, and I have to say the Dow has, from about, what did it get to, 814, it has dropped to 786. It's not great, but it's good, excuse me. Plenty moves there. Oil. We just looked at the oil 60 minutes. That was great into that 96, and that is a reversal bar under the 8 and 21 EMA with invents tomorrow. So we break that low on invents, and that could come tumbling. Okay, so at the moment I'm picking off the lows, but just while I'm waiting to earn some cash until I can get short up at these high levels. Okay, so as soon as we get to these resistance levels, I would look for the shorts, and I would get short and stay short. We've had a 15-minute reversal bar in this Dow, so not good. Alright, I do hope that helps. And gold is really ill. Let's have some decent legs down. Let's just, before we go, let's just look at copper. Not bad. It's only just clinging on though. Bellwether stocks, Rolls-Royce, sideways after the drop yesterday. Scottish and Southern, very weak. Vodafone, clinging on. Okay. Back above that S3. That S3 was very low, so that's good to see that one pulling its socks up. And if we do get that bounce in the FTSE, then that will help that. Let's look at G4S. That's good. What else? Got some US stocks. Like America getting a bounce off the back of that hammer. Apple sideways. Goldman's getting a decent bounce. Okay, so we are seeing a bounce in the market. Let's just see what the Dow's doing into the close. The Dow is still got a chance to do get a decent close up here. I hope that helps, and see you in the next update.